Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba charging error 5. So guys, this error means Roomba can't communicate with the battery. So first thing is flip Roomba over, remove the battery cover, usually with two screws, and take out the battery, and wait 30 seconds before reinstalling. And now you could use a dry cloth or alcohol wipe to clean the metal contacts on the battery and inside the compartment and ensure there's no corrosion or dirt. And also guys, make sure the battery is seated firmly and the contacts are properly aligned because some models have spring-loaded connectors, and check if they are stuck. Now, another one is just simply plug the home base into a different wall outlet and make sure the charging contacts on the base are clean and not blocked. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.